Namaste students. I am Gokul Verma from Department of Maths and today I am here with the topic exponents. Before starting the topic, I want to discuss some basic things with you. We all have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers and rational numbers. There we studied their properties also, like properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So one of the property was there like 2 plus 2 plus 2. We all know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. But we are adding one number only with itself. Fine. So there is one more way to write this thing. And that way is 3 multiplied by 2. Because 2 is adding to itself 3 times. So 3 times of 2, that is equal to 6. Means in simple words we can say repeated addition can be shown with the help of multiplication. But have you ever think in the case of repeated multiplication, is there any other way to write this thing? So let us see that thing. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. So if we have to write this thing in another form, so we can write it in this way. Now what is it? How to read it? So we can read it like 3 raised to power 3, or we can take one more example. If I have to represent this thing, I can write it 7 raised to power 2 or 7 square. Now what is 3 cube, 3 raised to power 3 or 7 square, 7 raised to power 2? This is nothing but exponential form of any number. Now in exponential form we have two things. First is base and the number which is written at the top, that is known as power or exponent. Now the number which is multiplied by itself, that is known as 3. Like here 3 is multiplying by itself, so we will call it base. And how many times it is multiplied by itself? Number of times, that is known as power. Like here 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times, so power will be 3. Same way 7 is multiplied by 7 2 times. Here 1 and 2, so power is 2. Number was 7, so it is base, and 2 times it is multiplied by itself, so it is power. Now let us see some examples to understand the concept of exponential form, base of product and power of product. So first example, here I am having 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. So exponential form will be 2 raised to power 4. 2 the number which is multiplied by itself and it is multiplied 4 times. So raised to power 4. So next thing is base of product. The number which is multiplied by itself, that is known as base. So in this form base will be 2. And how many times it is multiplied, that thing already I told you, that is power. So here the power is 4. In second example, here we are having 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. So what will be the exponential form? Yes, 5 raised to power 3. Base, yes, 5 and power will be 3. Because 5 is multiplied by itself, so base 5. 3 times it is multiplied, so power 3. Next, in third example, 6 multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So exponential form will be what? Yes, 6 raised to power 5. Base will be 6 and power, that will be 5 because 5 times it is multiplied by itself. In last example here I am having 9 multiplied by 9 means 9 is multiplied by itself 2 times. So exponential form 9 raised to power 2, and this thing we can know, read it like 9 square also. So base will be 9 and power is here 2. I hope the concept of exponential form, base of product and power of product is clear to you now. Let us see some basic things of exponents with respect to rational numbers. So here we have to find out the values of this part, 2 upon 5 whole raised to power 4. Whole means the power is of numerator as well as of denominator. Means complete rational number is having power 4. That means fine. So how to solve it? Raised to power 4 means it is multiplied by itself 4 times. I repeat, 2 upon 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. This thing we have already discussed. So it will become 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 4 times. Fine. So multiplication of fractions already we have done. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So here 2 multiplied by 2, it will become 4, and 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Next multiplication, 2 into 2 here also 4, 5 into 5, 25. So in next step 4 into 4 it will become 16, and 25 into 25 it will become 625. So answer of this part will be 16 upon 625. Same way we will see this one. Fine. Here we are having minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 3. That means minus 3 upon 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can write it like this: minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So now see, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. This thing we have done in properties of integers. When two integers with same sign we will multiply, we will get sign of positive plus. So 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, we will get 16. Multiply by minus 3 upon 4. Now two integers with different signs. So what we will get? We will get sign of minus. Yes. 9 into 3 minus 27, and 16 multiplied by 4, 64. So answer of this part will be minus 27 upon 64.